This week, in Discoveries in Nature, we explored the Laurentian Escarpment trails. We brought our tools along to make our very own log dogs. We took our log dogs on a walk through the forest trails. We decided to walk across some fallen logs with our log dogs in tow. We even showed our log dogs how to jump over the big tree. We found a type of mushroom called turkey tail. It felt so soft. We made our way to the forest classroom. We created tree bark rubbing artwork. We enjoyed seeing the many patterns made by the bark. We played Follow the Leader. Some very special rocks were found along the trail. We spotted a grouse along the trail. He fanned out his tail feathers for us to admire. We stopped at the pond to make sure our log dogs had a nice cool drink. Stopped in the forest for story time. But first, we made sure to tie up our log dogs so they didn't run away. Today's story was called Because of an Acorn. Next, we sang our Hug a Tree song. We made our own instruments and drums using sticks and trees. And we made sure to give the forest lots of love. We sang the song Sleeping Puppies, then said goodbye. Thank you to all our little nature discoverers for joining us today.